Google Jamboard is a digital whiteboard. Its many features make it an excellent resource for online teaching. When you first start it up, you come to this blank page, and what you want to do to start is click up here and come up with a nice title. Title. Great. On the side, it has a toolbar so you can choose different features that you want to use. So you have a pen. You can draw whatever you want with the pen. I drew a very beautiful flower. They have a marker, which you can also draw with, coloring in my amazing flower. They have a highlighter, which works kind of like a calligraphy pen. And they also have a paintbrush, which you can do layered brush strokes to make it darker. They have an eraser, so you can erase different parts if you don't like it. So if I didn't like my writing up here, I can just erase it. Yay! Now it's all gone. They have a pointer, so you can click and select things, but we'll get back to that. They also have sticky notes, so you can leave notes for anything you want to. Then the pointer is used to move it around. You can rotate it if you'd like. You can edit it to say, I want a different color. Or you can duplicate it. Now, they have a feature where one is on top of the other, as you can see. If you want to swap that over, you can go over to send backwards, and all of a sudden this one's on top. So great. Another feature that they have is you can add an image. So if, let's say I want to add an image, I will put in a bobcat. Now I got a bobcat. I can move it around. I can do the same thing as with the sticky notes. I can send it backwards. I can rotate it. But besides just an image, I could even say, take it one step farther. And I could bring in a little GIF. It has all the same features. I can rotate it. You got Link just hanging out. It also has shapes that you can draw. You just click and drag it, and then there you go. Now, Link points to Bobcat. They have a text box, so you can do text. You can move it around. Again, you can move it forward, backwards. I can send it all the way to the very back. Looks great. And the final feature, they have a laser pointer. So you can point out whatever you want to focus on. So right now, you can look at Link. Then I would say, no, let's move it on over to this text. Text is over here, then a sticky note, then the bobcat, and then the flower. So it can help you direct viewers to where you want to go. You can also set on a background, or again, you can make whatever image you want on the background, such as very creepy crawling Link. I hope there are many different features, and I hope you learned something and think about using this in the future. And I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you.